Now, I don't want to say like I'm a critic, because I feel like critics just more so complain. I'm not really complaining, I'm just giving you my honest opinion, all right? This is technically a 5-star hotel. I've been to a lot of 5 stars in South America and stuff like that, and I just don't think this is. I think it's like a 3.5, maybe 4-star. And there's multiple reasons for that, but we'll get into that in just a second. So this is the entrance. You get dropped off a taxi, come in. It's got a lounge over here, and it's just check-in. Most people speak English in here, so it's pretty good. You're gonna come around this way and go up to the elevators. All right, let's go to the 8th floor, because that's where everything's happening. Your restaurant's there, your free breakfast. This does have free breakfast, okay? But breakfast is so cheap down here and so good that I don't think free breakfast should really determine anything. Now, this is a very good breakfast spread compared to American free breakfast, but I don't think this is a very good free breakfast compared to other 5-star breakfasts in South America. All right, I'll show you. So it's a pretty good hot and cold spread. I love how they have the seeds and stuff for yogurts, some sushis, cereals. The hot wings I thought was a nice little touch. Had a couple of those. Arepas. The pancakes are actually pretty good. Some beans and egg stuff. And then we got a pretty good assortment of breads over here. And so I know if you like your seeded breads, they have these. I had this vineyard one, and it was pretty good. So like I said, it's got a pretty good spread compared to American standards, but maybe not so much for other South American free breakfast. Oh, and a bunch of free fruit over here. Okay, so it is raining. There's 2 or 3 bars. Here's one right here. It's not open yet, but you can come down here and sit where I'm walking for breakfast. It's raining, so I'm not able to really go outside, but the thing is, there's not really much except the pool. I'm about to show you the pool and the pool area, which is nice, and they do have a pool bar. But if you're looking online, you might see a lot of like terraces and stuff like that. You think that you can book, I mean, you can go have like rooftop terraces to read and such, like I was hoping, but that's not the case. Those are only for a few of the suites have rooftop like terraces, so you're not able to just go, all right? So anyway, let's hop out to the pool. Like I said, it's raining, but it is a nice area. It was sunny yesterday. They got a pool bar over there. You can do your laps and everything, so it is a really nice pool setup, but come to think, no hot tub. And so I liked the hot tub yesterday at my Airbnb. So they also have a full spa here. If you want to get any spa treatments done and such, they have a little gym. It's little and old, but it got the job done. I do tell people you can go get a day pass and stuff like that for like $5 at these bigger gyms. That's usually what I do. I got a flight in a second, so I might come down here and do something, but they have a spa. The prices are not cheap. But nonetheless, they do have it available for you. And here is the gym. And it's got a view of the city. Kind of basic, but gets the job done. But again, if I was to come, if I wanted a spa treatment, I would probably be going into somewhere else like I usually do. You can get a full 1 hour for $30, sorry, and they're good. Like I went to a physiotherapist, which they do like the muscle manipulation on top of massage, and it was like $32 for an hour. They have 4-hour spa packages in town for less than $100. The 1 hour here, I believe was like $80. So if you want to not leave, that's fine, but 5-minute walk and you're at another spa. So this is a nice little view. There is one little terrace down here you could sit on and overlook, but again, it's not rooftop, and online it's a little deceiving thinking that you might be able to have access to a terrace or something, but you do not. And honestly, that's it. That's this whole entire hotel. It is a big hotel. It is pretty popular, and it's not expensive. I think I paid $75 or $76, or it was worth $76. I did the points thing. If you haven't seen my points video, go check out my points video. I pretty much do almost all my travel for free or ultra cheap. I'm out of breath. Elevation here is like 4,900 feet. And I'm out of shape, out of breath, whatever. Anyway, but if I was to compare the Airbnb to this hotel, I like the Airbnb more, plain and simple. It was cheaper, and yeah. But if you are more accustomed to hotel style, you can get a hotel. Now, I stayed at the Holiday Inn here, the Hampton, and I honestly say that those were just as nice, maybe even a little nicer than this hotel I'm in right now. And this is supposedly a 5-star, so I'm not hating. I'm very open, but if you're going because it's this place because it's a 5-star, it's not really a 5-star. I would just go to wherever you get a good bargain and a good location. I am up about a half a kilometer from the center of El Poblado, which gets really wild and crazy. And it's loud down there at night, so I like to stay up this way. It's not as loud, but I can just quick 10-minute walk and I'm down there with all the restaurants, spas, and nightlife if you want it. So anyway, well, this is my comparison from the Airbnb to the hotel. My other Airbnb review video is very short. You can check it out. I hope it helps. And yeah, hit that subscribe button and I will catch you on the next one. Later.